Hi, my name is Khloe, and I have a sweet treat for you today. We are going to review what we have already learned, so let's get rolling.
FF spells f like in the word sniff.
Double L spells l, like in hill.
SS spells s like in the word dress.
Double Z spells z, as in jazz.
ALL spells all like in the word small.
OLL spells all, like in doll.
ULL spells all like in the word pole.
CK spells k, like in the word duck.
SH spells sh like in the word sheep.
TH spells f, as in thumb.
TH can also spell th like in the word this.
CH spells ch, as in chicken.
WH spells w like in the word whistle.
PH spells f, as in phone.
NG spells ng like in the word ring.
NK spells ink, as in think.
SHR spells sure like in the word shrimp.
THR spells thir, as in three.
If you enjoyed this sweet review, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We appreciate all your support. Thanks. Have a great day.